Solving systems, examples 3 and 4. So to solve example 3, I'm going to use substitution. We have the equations y equals 4x minus 9 and y minus x equals negative 3. The reason I'm going to be using substitution is because we have that first equation already solved for y and y is isolated, which means we can then substitute or plug in that remaining part of the equation for y. So I can take that 4x minus 9, and in my other equation where there is y, I can replace that y with 4x minus 9. Then I'm going to bring down that minus x equals negative 3. So we've substituted 4x minus 9 in place of our y value. Now I'm going to simplify. 4x minus 9 minus x equals negative 3. I can combine together the 4x and the minus x. That would be 3x minus 9 equals negative 3. Add 9 to both sides. 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by 3. And x will equal 2. Now, this is just the x value, okay, which we do need, but it is not our final answer. Anytime you have a system, you have to find the values for both variables. So we have a y and an x, so I need to plug this x value back in, all the way back up here, for the x value so I can solve and find out what y would equal. So that means I would have y equals 4 times 2 minus 9. So then y would equal 8 minus 9, and y would equal negative 1. So my solution for the system is actually going to be an ordered pair, and it would be the ordered pair 2, negative 1. Okay. For example 4, we have 4x plus 2y equals 10, and x minus y equals 13. We could use substitution or elimination for this one. I'm going to go ahead and use substitution, just so you have another example for substitution. In order to use substitution for number 4, we do need to get a variable isolated. It'll be easiest to do that with the second equation. So I'm going to get x by itself, and to do that, I'm going to add y to both sides. So then for that equation, I would have x equals 13 plus y. So that means in my first equation, anywhere I see an x, I can plug in that 13 plus y. Okay. So then to solve, that means I would have 4 times 13 plus y plus 2y equals 10. Okay. The reason we want to do this is so we can solve the equation with just one variable. We can't solve an equation when it has two variables. Now I'm going to distribute my 4 into the parentheses. So 4 times 13 will be 52 plus 4y plus 2y equals 10. Combine my y values together. So 52 plus 6y equals 10. Subtract 52 on both sides. 6y will equal negative 42. Divide both sides by 6, and y will equal negative 7. Again, this is not our final answer, this is only part of our answer. We now need to go back and plug in and find out what x is. I'm going to go back to that equation that has the x equals, so I can just plug y in, or negative 7 in, for that y. That would give me x equals 13 plus negative 7. And 13 plus negative 7 would be 6. So the ordered pair for number 4 would be 6, negative 7.